led UAE women's cricket team in multiple T20 international matches.
लोग कहते थे एसोसिएट नेशंस को क्यों लाया जाता है? They have changed the whole competition as such.
Pakistan holds the record for most semi-finals in a T20 World Cup.
Pakistan has a problem with the middle order in their batting.
न्यूजीलैंड की अगर मैं बात करूं, I think they are the most tactically sound team.
Most googled person right now in Pakistan is Salman Ali Agha.
If Zimbabwe comes in the semi-final,
Oh
I
my
don't think
God.
anybody would be shocked.
सीधा ये बताओ, सुपर 8 में आपके टॉप 4.
India, definitely in. New Zealand, South Africa, and
Once again, leading into the Super 8. This is Stars Play Off the Mark. मैं हूं परीक्षित. Super 8. Exciting group number A. All table toppers: India, South Africa, West Indies, Zimbabwe. All teams yet to be beaten. Group B. All the teams have lost only one match. New Zealand, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, England. Zimbabwe has a chance to do what India did in 1983, and history says Pakistan has a very, very strong chance of winning this World Cup. This is Off the Mark, episode number 5. With me, of course, my regular partner in crime, Vish. But
Hello.
a very special guest today on this episode is Chaya Mughal. Now, she's led UAE women's cricket team in multiple T20 international matches. And मेरा सबसे favorite चीज जब UAE cricket team ने पहली बार एशिया कप खेला था, guess who was the captain? Our guest, Chaya Mughal. Welcome to the show, Chaya.
thank you very much.
Straight away getting into the conversation. It's going to be a high energy episode. We're going to low down New Zealand versus Pakistan. सीधा ये बताओ, सुपर 8 में आपके टॉप 4.
Well, I think India, definitely in. New Zealand,
Okay.
South Africa, and Pakistan.
It is. I kind of agree with that. I think they are all teams are looking really solid going into
Yeah.
the Super 8. Huh?
Yeah.
And I'll tell you why. Because
Yeah.
Pakistan has completely changed their form in the last match against Namibia, right?
Yeah.
102 का victory. वो dangerous तो लग रहे हैं. Batting lineup वापस से उनका काम कर रहा है. Centuries वापस आ गई हैं. What do you think about this match, New Zealand versus Pakistan?
See, if we talk about Pakistan as such, always they start up with the hype, Hamesha power play mein they are always scoring runs. But the problem starts in the middle over. From 7 till 15 is somewhere where they need to increase their run rate, where they need to score those runs, not just singles or double, but ek chauka aana zaruri hai. That's what I feel.
Yeah.
That's where I think they've been losing the games. That's where I feel it grips out of
Yeah.
their hand. They start
नाम लो
off
ना,
very
आप
well.
कौन है responsible इसको middle order run rate के लिए? नाम लेके बताएं आप.
नहीं
Yeah.
नाम
नाम
वगैरह
भी,
नहीं,
अरे
मतलब
आप दीजिए
जिसका भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बीच में खेलने के लिए आता है
Yeah.
उनको स्कोर करना चाहिए. मोर देन 8 or 9 I would say they
Yeah.
have to score those runs in the middle.
आप नाम ले सकते हो.
But yeah, I was going to say I think part of that is also down to the fact that Pakistan has a problem with the middle order in their
Yeah.
batting. So, and I think a good bowling attack will expose that middle order, and any good bowling attack that exposes that middle order, the pressure is back on them.
Yes,
And
that's true.
I don't know whether Pakistan are great at handling pressure situations.
Especially at the knockout games.
Yeah,
And I'll
especially
tell you
these,
something
yeah.
about that fact. Okay, Pakistan surprisingly holds the record for most semi-finals in a T20 World Cup. 6 times.
Wow.
2007, 2009, 2010, 2012, 21 and 22.
Yeah.
And when we talk about handling pressure in the big stage, where or what advice do you have for this team right now? I think this team is looking good, right? Apart from that India-Pakistan match, all of the matches were decently fair, and that's what Salman
Yeah.
Ali Agha also said in the press conference. What advice do you have for this team as a captain who's
Yeah.
led a international team?
Well, I think first and foremost they should always think that bowling is something that can win matches for them.
Yeah.
Scoring more than 200 is something which is not essential at this World Cup. It has proven with the figures and
Yeah.
numbers
Yeah.
that we
Yeah.
can
True.
see.
True.
I would say 175 with decent bowling, or with the bowling which is controlled. I would say 175 is enough,
Yeah.
rather than reckless 200 plus, wherein you are out of control,
Yeah.
bowling everywhere, putting yourself in the pressure. I think they have to play tactfully
Yeah.
here, which
Yeah.
is very
I
very
agree. I think scoreboard pressure is a thing.
Yeah.
You know, so winning the toss and batting first might work better in Pakistan's favor.
Yeah,
if you
also
ask
it's
me.
Colombo. Also,
is.
all their
Yeah.
matches are in Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
So at this time, Pakistan ka home ground Sri Lanka ही बोल दो ना
Yeah.
यार. बात खत्म
Yeah.
करो. They've got advantage there as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Most googled person right now in Pakistan is Salman Ali Agha.
Okay.
His captaincy.
Yeah.
And I like the guy. I like the guy how he thinks. I like when even at press conferences when media asks him difficult questions, the kind of answers he gives, right? And then
Yeah.
he backs up.
Yeah.
And whenever he loses, he owns up as well.
Yes.
Again, I'm going to come back to you as a captain. How important is that kind of... देखो, मैं ये कहना चाह रहा था कि ओपनर आपका इसलिए खेल रहा है क्योंकि वो बॉलिंग कर सकता है, फास्ट बॉलर आपका इसलिए खेल रहा था ताकि वो अच्छी बैटिंग कर सकता है, कैप्टन यहाँ पे इसलिए खेल रहा है क्योंकि इज अ नाइस गाय. दैट्स व्हाट द पीपल आर से.
Okay.
बट द इंटरनल entire working of a team, this kind of captain, how does it help?
I mean, if I talk about Salman Ali Agha, you know, the way he shows clarity in his thoughts, the way he is showing his approach, you know, bowling first over against India
I love
yeah,
that.
yeah.
was
I
like,
love that.
it
That's
surprised all of
Bold
us, you know.
move.
And he
Bold
bowled
move.
really
And
well.
worked.
Yeah,
I was
worked.
wondering why he stopped after
Yeah.
that. But anyways, you know, that bold thing that he's doing, showing people that what they are capable of, I think it's commendable.
And मेरा
Yes.
problem पता है क्या विश, यहाँ पे he exposed Abhishek Sharma.
Yeah.
Because again in the last match as well, we got the same duck bowling, same kind of length,
Yeah.
same,
Yeah.
and every team is now going to do that only.
Exactly.
एक वो plan दे गया दूसरी teams को यार, Salman Ali Agha. That's what I don't like him for. Otherwise I like him.
But most teams have come quite really well prepared against India. I've noticed that
what-
even in the India-Netherlands game,
Yep.
they were really well prepared. Again, Abhishek not getting out without scoring. But coming back to Pakistan, I think there's something about Salman Ali Agha that reminds me of MS Dhoni.
Yeah.
He's got that cool, calm
100
composure.
Well said, yeah.
100%.
Well
Yeah.
said.
He definitely comes across as somebody who's able to absorb a lot of the pressure, but the team around him also have to sort of reflect that leadership of his.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing that yet. And I think a couple of his moves might have been questionable, like leaving Usman Tariq till a little too late in the
Yeah.
India game.
Yeah. But we were too prepared for him. I
Yeah.
feel that
Yeah,
was a
that's
good
also
move
That was a
because
good
we were too prepared for
Yeah,
him.
even I would
Probably,
say that.
probably
Yeah.
he saw that.
And that's where I think
his.
his cricketing brain is so good. Again,
Yeah.
because I really thought Usman ko leke aao, Usman ko, because we were waiting for Usman.
Yeah.
And he did not.
Yes.
And open was Salman Ali Agha. I think
True.
that was a great move.
True,
again.
that
And
was
where
a
this
great move.
factor plays in is that I think as the games have, gone on through the tournament, I think they are also in that phase where they're learning from their errors. And I think moving into the next stage, I think they
Yeah.
will try to fix all
Yeah.
of these, and they will come in
Yeah.
like really solid
True.
into the
Yeah,
next stage.
Right. And as a captain, you know, I would say that आपको सिर्फ अपने परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में नहीं सोचना है. You have to get the best performance out of the other players who could be a match winner for you. You know, on that particular day. That's
Yeah,
something I
right.
have learned being a captain, you know. It's not only about me leading from the front, me scoring highest run, me
Yeah.
taking those catches,
Yeah.
or I have to find those people जिसका वो दिन है.
Yeah.
अरे भाई वो स्टार प्लेयर को सामने लेकर आओ, उससे परफॉर्मेंस निकलवाओ. That's the role of a captain.
Yeah.
And
How
I think
much-
he's doing pretty good.
Do you believe in history? How much do you believe in stats? How much?
I personally believe on the day.
On the day.
On the day, what's happening is something that I would go with.
Another fact. History says Pakistan will win this World Cup. Listen to this. 1992, Australia knocked out in the group stage. 1992, Pakistan won the World Cup. 2009, Australia knocked out of the group stage. 2009, Pakistan won the T20 World Cup.
Yeah.
2017, Australia knocked out in the group stage. 2017, Pakistan won the Champions Trophy. 2026.
There's another aspect to this also, right? I think out of all the matches played, apart from the Champions Trophy, every time Pakistan have met India in a knockout stage, they've always lost.
Yes.
Ooh, but will we meet them in the semis? Strong chance.
Possible.
For that, they'll have to
Possible.
finish at number 1 or number 2, and we also have to finish at number 1 and number 2.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
See, if we talk about history as such, you know, लोग कहते थे associate nations को क्यों लाया जाता है? Why are they there for, you know? They are just there for numbers? No. I would say this time it has changed everything.
Amazing.
Isn't it?
Correct.
Yeah.
They are
100%
not
Absolutely
there just for
amazing.
numbers, but they have changed the whole competition as such. They're there to participate, not just to participate. I would say they're there to fight.
Yeah.
You know, Zimbabwe and USA have proved that the gap, which was always there between the full nation and the associate nation, it's strongly
Yeah.
coming closer.
Yeah.
I
Do you
am
agree?
very worried about Zimbabwe.
Yeah, we have a whole
I think
lowdown.
nobody would want to face them in the knockout stages.
We have a whole lowdown of Zimbabwe,
Yeah.
Age. We have a whole lowdown of what's happening with Indian cricket as well. But let's talk about statistics in this World Cup. So we're recording this on the 20th of February,
Yeah.
right? Right now it's about 12:57.
Mm-hmm.
As of right now, the most runs in this World Cup, number one पे is Sahibzada Farhan.
Yeah.
73 का average है उसका 220 runs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good batting.
Good batting, good player. There's no question about it. Can they fire on the day is always the question that still remains, and let's hope that they do, for the sake of Pakistan, for that matter. But yeah,
And I think the confidence also comes against which teams you're scoring the runs.
yeah,
If it's coming from against the higher ranked teams, you know,
Yeah,
that gives you
always.
more confidence.
Speaking of that, Nisanka against Australia, 199 on number 2 in this World
Amazing.
Cup. Kusal Mendes, 182. Markram, 178. And now on number 4, we have Ishan Kishan with an average of 44, 176 runs. So these are the top scorers as of now in this World Cup. Again, because again, we spoke about which team. Nisanka looks very, very good.
Very good. Yes.
amazing. He looks really amazing.
It is.
Yeah.
I mean, Sri Lanka on a given day, I think it's their spin attack
Yeah,
that chokes the opposition in the middle overs. You know, from I would say 8 till 14 overs.
Yeah.
Once the spin attack comes in, nobody is going to score against them. Their spin rate economy is, I think, less than 7 or something in between those middle
Wow.
overs. You know,
But that's in Sri
where
Lanka.
they choke the
In
other
Sri Lanka.
opposition.
In Sri Lanka.
In
Sri
India,
Lanka.
things might change because all their
Things might
matches
change.
now, if they qualify, will be in India.
Yes,
yeah.
Right?
that's a different
Interesting.
scenario. That's
Most
interesting.
wickets now in this T20 World Cup. Shadley, how do you say his name? The Shadley guy, USA.
Shadley
Huh?
Van Skalkwik.
Correct. And look at this. It's a very interesting stat, okay? Varun Chakrabarti on number 2. Shadley's got 13 wickets, by the way. Varun has got 9 wickets. Now, Blessing from Zimbabwe, again, current team playing in the Super 8, 9
Yeah.
wickets. And then Scotland, Michael Leisk, 9 wickets out of
Yeah.
the tournament. And then Afghanistan, Azmatullah Omarzai, 9 wickets out of the tournament. The 2 active teams right now, Varun Chakrabarti and Muzarabani. Right? Who's going to be the
Blessing.
leading wicket taker in this World Cup?
See, if we talk about figures now, I think this World Cup is all about spinners rather than
Yeah.
promoting the fast bowlers. But I'm highly impressed with this young guy, you know, Blessing
Yeah.
Muzarabani, right?
Muzarabani.
I
Muzarabani,
mean,
correct.
he is impressive.
Yeah.
Economy rate less than 6, which
Yep.
is top class
Yeah.
level. You know, that you could find against any competitive team, against any elite team. These are the figures. that he
5.9
is
to
bowling
EK
at.
economy in 3 innings.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
They're not able to
Less
read
than
him.
6.
They're just not able to get him away
He
at all.
is amazing guy. That shows how much they have prepared
Yeah.
for this World Cup. It's not like by fluke they have reached up to this
Yeah,
place, but
true.
it shows the kind of preparation they've
What
been
they've
doing
come.
throughout the years, and that's the reason why they are here. They deserve
Yeah.
it. You know, they definitely deserve it, and I won't be surprised. You know, if Zimbabwe comes in the semi-final,
Oh
I don't
my
think
God.
anybody would be shocked. I don't
No,
think
no,
anybody
not
would
at all.
be shocked. You know.
Yeah, I mean, it almost feels like they're playing with some sort of vengeance.
Craziness.
Yeah.
That's the way that they're playing, and the confidence on their social media.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've seen it.
Oh.
They're doing some
Oh.
They're
trends
doing
and
some-
stuff
Oh.
like that. There's serious confidence.
And
there.
how calm they stay on the field.
Yeah.
You know, they
Yeah.
know what
Yeah.
the set target is.
Yeah.
They know how to play in the power play. They know how to attack.
Yeah,
When the time is required, they are amazing.
across all conditions. Huh? They're playing
Yes.
across all conditions.
Yes.
I think they
And-
played some India games as well.
Leading from the front is Sikandar Raza.
Yeah.
Right now in the T20 international current setup, whoever are the current players, he's got the most amount of man of matches.
Yeah.
Yes, that shows experience that these players are getting from these franchisee leagues. You know, it's not a waste when
Yeah.
they are playing these leagues. It definitely gives them an experience of being in that situation that could come any which ways.
Yeah.
You know,
I
they're
think-
ready for that.
Imagine a South Africa Zimbabwe final. It's an all Africa final in
I
this,
think it's going to
in
be
India.
I think it's going to be an India South Africa final again.
Yes,
by
that's
the way.
what even I
We'll
like.
find out on
That's what
we'll find
I
out on
feel.
Sunday.
We'll find out on Sunday for sure. But now let's move on to New Zealand. उनकी भी बात कर लेते हैं थोड़ी सी. Right now, The best fielding side in the tournament,
Yeah.
New Zealand, 94% की catch efficiency है. You know,
Yeah.
Glenn Phillips.
Yes.
You know the team that they
The
have
Superman.
right now. है
I
ना?
would say
Superman.
the Superman of the
Yeah,
team.
yeah, 100%.
What I like about New Zealand, and I think I want you to come in and wish you to come in as well, is what Stephen Fleming has also said कि हमें 11 superstars नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah.
We need 11 good players who do the job on that day, and we have no superstar culture. We want
Yeah.
execution.
Yeah.
In a setup like in this, where at the end of the day, players are also playing for glory.
Yeah.
Let's be honest. They also want IPL contract.
Yeah.
They also want money. How do you bring that mahal in?
न्यूजीलैंड की अगर मैं बात करूं, आई थिंक दे आर द मोस्ट टेक्निकली साउंड टीम
Yeah.
इन दिस टूर्नामेंट.
Well prepped.
वेल
Very well
प्रेप्ड आई
prepped,
वुड
yeah.
से. जो इमोशंस के अंडर सबमिसिव नहीं हो जाते, दे आर द कीवीज आउट
Yeah.
देयर, यू नो, जो हाई प्रेशर को एब्जॉर्ब करना जानते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव सीन.
और without any drama यार, वो
आई वुड
चुपचाप
से
से करते हैं सब
हाँ,
कुछ.
चुपचाप से करते
है
हैं.
ना?
दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ देयर टीम. एंड आई वुड से कि अगर कोई भी मैच, if it's low scoring game against New Zealand, I think New Zealand will win that.
Yeah, but I think I think they have to work a little bit on the team combination depending on the conditions. I feel like because
यार spinners तो उनके अच्छे हैं. Santner
Yeah.
है, Rachin Ravindra भी डाल रहा है.
Glenn
bowling.
Phillips also
Glenn
bowls,
Phillips also bowling,
bowls
correct.
from time to time. Their batting is very, very solid
Yeah.
at the top, especially Finn Allen and Tim Seifert. I feel like their bowling needs. I think Matt Henry has gone for some runs in
Yeah.
certain matches, and
Yeah.
I feel like there are some of those very, very minor cracks that are there in New Zealand team. Again, against Pakistan, I don't know how much, depending on how Pakistan turns up on the day, whether they can exploit
Oh my
Matt
God.
Henry, depending on the wicket, and Colombo wicket is a
That's
turning
my
wicket.
thing.
So, yeah, so
Because उनके पास वो advantage
it's a
है.
Yes,
very
they have.
balanced battle.
हाँ.
I hope it's a balanced match also. But I think both teams are very head to head, very neck and neck in terms of their skills purely.
Yeah.
Mitch Santner is also another very calm and composed captain.
Correct.
He's not any different to Salman Ali Aga
Correct.
for that matter, you know. And his captaincy is also quite sharp. We saw it in the India series as well, the T20 series before the World Cup started. Yes, you're playing against a team like India, which obviously they won that 4-1. But having said that, that doesn't in any which way diminish the skill level of Mitch Santner as a captain.
Yeah.
I think he's a very, very sharp captain, and he's an ex-Chennai
Yeah.
player.
Yeah. Spin तो अच्छा होगा
yeah,
उसका.
Yeah.
so
Right, Rachin Ravindra again, last match 50 not out against UAE. Glenn Phillip again,
Yeah.
not out 50 against UAE. तो form तो अच्छा है.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
I think another thing that changes the whole scenario of the game is the death overs.
Yes.
That's somewhere they need to really take a caution. Who is going to bowl those overs? Somebody who can bring the economy less than, I think, 8.5
Yeah.
is like a gold in that match.
Yeah.
You know, if
Yeah.
they
Jimmy Neesham.
Neesham is good option.
He's a
Good-
good
good
option.
Santner is the man to watch out for
He is.
in
He
Sri
is.
Lanka.
He really is. He is.
yes,
And both with bat and ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
the
Yeah, he's a
sixes that
very
he was
good
hitting
all-rounder.
in the India series, unbelievable.
Yeah.
I mean, he can
I
really
think
bat
all
well.
the team, जितने भी all rounder है, this period is like a
Yeah.
golden period for them. Whatever they are touching, you know, it's like
Turning
turning
into
into gold.
Absolutely.
चाहे हार्दिक पांड्या हो जाए, चाहे अपना सैंटनर हो गया, और from other teams also, you know.
I feel Hardik Pandya is the best all-rounder. People. I just love Hardik Pandya.
Yeah.
Not just on field, but I like
We
his
all do, we
personality
all do.
off field a
Yeah,
lot more.
We
yeah.
all do.
The aura that he
Aura,
creates,
my God.
yeah.
You know, everybody in the cricket circuit is talking about his aura.
Yes.
And I'm not talking about fans. I'm talking about players,
True.
ex-players
Yeah.
that I'm talking to.
Yes.
Everybody's talking about his energy is crazy. His
Yeah.
aura
Yeah.
is absolutely mad.
Exactly.
Yeah.
True.
Have you ever met him?
I have, but not much conversations happened. But I remember somebody talking about the watches that he owns.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, and
That's
then
me.
somebody asked like,
Huh.
इतना महंगा क्यों? What if it breaks? And then he's like, बोला कि when you're diving the catches, you're diving for the catches
Yeah,
and
yeah.
stuff. So don't you think कि घड़ी कभी टूट
टूट
भी
जाएगी।
सकती है? भाई इतने करोड़ की घड़ी है,
हाँ,
आपकी अगर टूट गई तो he said, who the hell thinks about that watch at that particular time? For me, that catch is important, not the watch, you know.
Amazing.
अगर वो एक कैच पकड़ूंगा तो ऐसे 1000 घड़ियां ले सकता
आहा।
हूँ, इससे
Yeah.
क्या फर्क पड़ता
He's
है?
Hardik
ये
Pandya, right?
हार्दिक
He's
पांड्या.
like पहना
Hardik
और भूल
Pandya.
जाओ, बस है कि
Yeah.
नहीं है, it doesn't matter. So that's like Hardik Pandya.
Yeah.
Oof.
Who doesn't
Match winner,
care
guys. Match
who
winner,
Once
100%.
is inside the boundary
Yeah.
rope, it means business.
Yeah. I mean, that's one thing I feel with both Pakistan and New Zealand. Can we look at how many players can we look at when you look at the playing 11? How many of them can you sit and say they have that many single-handed match winners who can take the game away from the opposition at any point of time? And there are few teams that have that in abundance. India, for example, South Africa to a great extent. I'm seeing this with Zimbabwe as well.
Yeah.
When you look at the other group, I feel like the match winners are not as many. On their day, 100%. Glenn Phillips can take the game away. Satner can take the game away from you. But as a consistency, that's one thing that I'm seeing as a lacking factor in both teams.
I feel New Zealand, usi topic pe, has 11 match winners is what they are thinking in the setup.
Yeah.
But Pakistan, I think Sahibzada Farhan, Saeem Ayub is one on his day again. Not every day.
With the ball more than the bat in this tournament.
With the bat as well. You never know. On
In
his
this
day.
tournament?
In this tournament, yes.
Yeah.
So I would say some people, they say that India is relying heavily on one or two players.
Yeah.
Is that going against them? I would say no.
But we're not
it's
actually.
like
It's
a
actually not, huh?
confidence for them.
Correct.
It's like every match they've got a different match winner. They've got a different star.
That's
player,
what I'm saying.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the point
So
I'm making.
that's something even the other teams should have that capability to produce match winners on a particular day. And it's the captain who can bring out that match winner
True.
for their team.
I mean,
in
look
a
at
game.
India. If you look at India for that matter, Ishan didn't fire in the last game, but Shivam Dube came in and sorted it out. None of them fired in the first game against USA. Surya sorted them out.
Yeah.
So practically every game, someone has stood up and taken the responsibility.
And we're not
won the
talking
match.
enough about Rinku Singh, mere bhai.
Yeah.
Usko
Exactly.
It's and again as a player I want to talk to you. आप dugout पे बैठे हो 19 ओवर.
Yeah.
ठीक है, गर्म भी नहीं है आपकी बॉडी. आप कितना भी कर लोगे, हिल
और
लोगे,
पहले
वार्म
बॉल
अप
पे
कर लोगे.
आके.
पहली बॉल पे आके छक्का मार रहे हो, वो भी इतना लंबा.
Yes.
How difficult is that skill? Talk to me about that skill.
I think if you're not mentally prepared for it,
Yeah.
it's very difficult.
True.
But अगर आपका ट्रेनिंग उसी हिसाब से हो रहा है, अगर आपको मतलब प्रैक्टिस ही उसी वे में कराई जा रही है, आपकी रेगुलर ट्रेनिंग उसी बेसिस पे हो रही है, that first ball you have to hit a six.
Oh my God.
I think that's very much possible. It's all your mental preparations, that comes in before your physical preparation. And I think Rinku Singh is like, पता है उसकी बात क्यों नहीं होती है ज़्यादा? Because we all expect कि उसने आके छक्का मारना ही मारना.
And that's crazy.
It's like-
And I'm telling you right
he
now.
does it every time.
Ooh.
Every time he does it.
It's a crazy skill, and the moment you said, look at these goosebumps,
Yeah.
because it is, and I play a little bit of cricket. I know
Yeah,
how
I know.
difficult that can be,
Yes,
right? And
Yeah.
जितने भी लोग अभी हमारे guests आ रहे हैं show पे, everybody's talking about one thing, Vish, which is mental strength.
Yes.
Everybody, all ex-cricketers, everybody.
100%.
Talk to me about your mental preparation as a player for the World Cup. How do you prepare?
Oh, well, I think that goes a long, long way back before we start physical preparations, because mental preparation ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एक दिन में सब कुछ सीख जाओगे. It's not like a magical potion that
Yeah.
you take और सो जाओ और सुबह उठ के आप mentally ready हो गए. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have to keep working on your skills. Okay, for example, if I say, when I was a kid, I learned how to ride a bicycle. ठीक है?
Yeah.
I learned it when I was a kid.
Yeah.
बट उसके बाद में मैंने नहीं चलाया, 10 साल
ठीक
नहीं
है.
चलाया, 15 साल नहीं चलाया. बट टुडे ऑल्सो इफ आई सी अ बाइसिकल एंड आई sit on it,
You
I'm
learn.
able to
Yeah.
ride
Right.
it because
Yeah.
I've learned it.
Yeah.
That skill is in the back of my
my
mind.
God.
It's
Muscle
like a
memory.
it's like a muscle memory for me, isn't it? So similarly, once we learn a skill, once we adapt to that skill, it's always inside us. रात को भी उठ के कोई हमें कहेगा चलो फर्स्ट बॉल पे छक्का मारो, वो मार लेगा जाके. उसके लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स रजिस्टर्ड completely in his mind that is something he has to do in and out.
But talking about first ball six hitters, there is one guy who's known for hitting first ball for six, but his total aggregate in this tournament is 0.
Sharma ji.
What mindset advice would you give him at this point? I don't think there's any cause for worry at all.
Yeah.
I'm not coming from that
Yeah.
space at all. But I think sometimes when players go through a patch like
Yeah.
this, they sink into it themselves and they start questioning things. So what would you tell him? Like, how can he get out of this mindset? So
First of all, surrounding with the positive people is very, very important. There were 100 people आपको 100 advices दे सकते हैं. But आपको कौन सी advice की ज़रूरत है? It's him who can decide best, isn't it? So first of all, a happy atmosphere around, like not everybody is coming, अरे कोई बात नहीं यार, अगले मैच में तू स्कोर कर लोगे. That puts him in more pressure,
Yeah.
rather than just leaving him like ठीक है तुम कर लोगे. We have trust in you, we know that you can do it. There is no message from our side, from coach or from head coach or whatever is there, from captain also, just coming and giving a pat on the back is sufficient, I would say. Give him some time, he's gonna rise and shine.
Yeah.
Speaking of show trust in him,
Yeah.
I've got a very good stat figure out for you guys and you guys. Last time, an Indian opener had a bad patch in a T20 International World Cup for India. We won the World Cup.
Yeah. I know.
Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
First 4 matches, his average was 1.67. His highest score was 4.
Yeah.
He performed when it mattered the
The most.
in
True.
the final
Yes.
76 against South Africa.
True.
Are we still going to show that trust in him?
You never know. I mean, yes, the player, a star player is who rises on the day when it's required.
When it's mattered.
Yep.
You know?
Yeah.
Everybody will forget about the old chapters which are there. Everything is done and dusted.
Yeah.
It's closed. बंद हो गया है सब कुछ. People will remember आज क्या हुआ है.
Beautiful.
तुमने आज क्या किया है.
I think-
Beautiful.
That is it.
I think with Virendra Sehwag got a brilliant bit of a brilliant idea. He's like कोई उसके रूम में जाओ, उसको पिछले 3-4 मैचेस के इनिंग्स दिखा दो उसके.
हाँ.
उसको समझ में आ जाएगा वो कैसा प्लेयर है. उसको याद दिला देंगे कौन सा प्लेयर है.
या
Just
फिर-
watch-
या
just
फिर
watch your
युवराज
innings.
सिंह को बुला
युवराज
युवराज
just-
सिंह का फोन
हाँ,
करो.
हाँ,
वो
युवराज सिंह.
खुद बता देगा तू कैसा प्लेयर है.
हाँ, उसको बस याद दिलाना है. That's it. There's
True
nothing
that.
else, you know.
True that.
Before we close the New Zealand Pakistan का पूरा के पूरा topic, I want to talk about the head-to-head. It is very exciting.
Nice.
Total matches played, New Zealand versus Pakistan, 49. This is going to be the 50th match.
Okay.
Can you guess how much they won? Pakistan, how many have they won?
Maybe 23.
Out of the 49?
Yeah.
What about you?
I'd put it slightly higher, maybe 27.
Pakistan has won 24.
Really?
Oh, not bad.
New Zealand has won 23. So it's exactly
Wow, it's
50-50
neck
right
to
now.
neck.
Neck to
Almost,
neck to neck.
right? 2 no results, of course. This is the 50th match.
इसे बोलते हैं rivalry.
But, इसे बोलते हैं
That's
rivalry.
actually rivalry.
But, rivalry in the T20 World Cups. Pakistan, out of the 7 matches they played together, how much have they won? against New Zealand.
I think 3.
Sorry, what was the question again?
So in just the T20 World
In
Cup,
only T20 World
they've
Cup?
totally played 7 matches.
Pakistan and New Zealand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd say New Zealand has the edge over here. I
Yeah.
think maybe
That's what even
4
I think.
versus 7.
3.
Pakistan has won 5.
Versus 3. Okay.
New Zealand has won 2.
Okay.
Is it?
Now this is again an interesting rivalry,
Yeah.
guys.
It is.
Watch the entire match on Stars Play. Now we swiftly move on to our next segment in case you missed it. ये सारी न्यूज़ जो आ रही है, दुनिया की सारी बातें जो हो रही है, लास्ट 24 आवर्स में जो लोग बातें कर रहे हैं, जैसे मोहम्मद आमिर साहब का कहना है कि यार इंडिया विल नॉट क्वालिफाई फॉर द सेमीफाइनल्स ऑफ द T20 वर्ल्ड कप. He further said that India batting lineup is away and always collapsing and not scoring big scores unlike they are doing in the regular bilateral series. मोहम्मद आमिर साहब क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप? आप बोलिए, हम तो क्या
देखो,
बोले?
see, as a person, it's your opinion. You can say whatever you want. You have
Yeah.
the right. You have the right to talk. You have a freedom of speech.
Yeah.
You can say whatever you want. But in the end, I don't think anyone should be bothered with these talks which are happening all over. It's on a given day. As I said, any team can surprise anyone. Don't go for the stats. Don't look what has happened in the previous games
Yeah.
or somewhat. On that given day, on that big day, it's the team that absorbs the pressure. They are going to be emerged as winners. That's important.
Before the India-Pakistan game, I think Shahid Afridi said that Pakistan would win.
Yeah.
Now, Mohammad Amir is saying that India will not make it to the semis. And I completely agree 100% with her. It's like people are always going to be talking.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I think if I was in the, I never will be, but if I was one of the playing 11 or if I was in the squad, I think this is all noise that is shut out in here.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
the conditioning, part of the mindset and the mental training and all the strength comes from shutting out all of this
Yes.
extra noise, not listening to what anybody has to say, or even whether it's a past cricketer or a commentator, anybody. It doesn't matter. People can say, like she said, people can say what they want. History can say what it wants.
Yeah.
We've seen history change many times, all right? So the only thing that matters is that they turn up on the day, and the team that manages the pressure well in specific situations, that is the team that is going to come out on
Yeah.
top. That's it.
And in T20, you
there's
don't
nothing
need
else to it.
preparations like 2 saal tayari kiye ya 2 saal. It's
Yeah, yeah.
like the momentum, that you
Always.
gain over the period of time. It could be 1 day, it could be 2 days.
Yeah.
And it's just that particular night, the pressure you have to just absorb it, and then you'll be the winners.
And it is a
That's
fact that, just look at the tournament. Every one of these teams now in the Super 8 very, very highly competitive teams.
Yeah.
And they are playing unlike they have played anything else before. So the bilateral wins and all that actually
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
almost like a new look team. If
Yeah.
you look at every single team, South Africa also played T20s. We won against them, but that doesn't mean there is a guarantee that we'll
Yeah.
win on Sunday.
Yeah.
So it's not set in stone. These teams are turning up with a different mindset for a World Cup, and they're all going to bring their A game. So every team has to be fully prepared.
Yeah. And I think this World Cup, I would say this is the most tactically strong World Cup,
Oh my God.
most balanced World Cup that
It is.
I am seeing, you know, in my senses.
कोचिंग स्टाफ कितना सही है सब टीम्स का यार.
amazing.
Everybody is now just so because इतना exposure मिल चुका है सबको यार.
Yeah.
I saw Gary Kirsten
Yeah.
in one of the associate teams ki dugout.
Yes.
I'm like, what? I saw Vikram Rathore,
Yes.
batting coach for Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Sammy for West Indies, and all
Yeah.
of these teams are doing so well.
So well.
All champions guys, you know, before Rathore won the previous
Yeah.
World Cup for
Yeah.
India.
Yeah.
Darren Sammy is a former World Cup winner.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
So
And I
these
think
son of
cricket
Jayasuriya.
keeps evolving
Correct.
Come
itself.
on.
You know,
Correct.
you have to stay up to date with the techniques, with the things
Yeah.
which are happening over. You know, पहले बोलते थे वो बाउंड्री पे उछल के कैच पकड़ने कितने डिफिकल्ट होते थे. Now
Yeah.
it's like so easy. You
Yeah.
know, anybody can do it on a
Yeah.
किसी भी टाइम पे कोई भी कर सकता है. It's not
India
difficult
versus
at
South
all.
Africa जो मैच है आपका, that is happening in Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
नरेंद्र मोदी क्रिकेट स्टेडियम. वहाँ पे स्पिन काफी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकती है, बड़ा ग्राउंड है.
Definitely. I would say कि ये पूरा टूर्नामेंट स्पिन के ऊपर निर्भर है. The way we have and because it's a bigger ground, you know, there
Yeah.
are big pockets,
Yep.
so that means they will have to eventually depend on running between the wickets also. अगर spin can choke in the middle overs, I think game is ours.
There was one component of the last game that India played at Ahmedabad against Netherlands. One side, the boundary is much shorter.
Yes.
And you could see the Netherlands bowlers were deliberately trying to bowl outside.
And we were trying to
off
play
stump, and they were
other
trying to-
shots
But that
as well.
depends कौन सा pitch पे
Yeah.
उस दिन खेलेंगे ना.
हाँ, depends on that.
Fair, fair.
It depends, but always the target. Now a bowling like team like South Africa with their bowling lineup, this is going to be negated because they are very, very accurate bowlers in that team between
Yeah.
Marco Jansen and Lungi Ngidi, and of course Keshav Maharaj coming in to bowl a few overs for them. India has to obviously understand the different types of threats, situations that
Yeah.
they're going to be facing,
Yeah.
particularly for the
Yeah.
opening pair, Abhishek
Yeah.
Sharma and things like that. So on Sunday, it is 100% a 50-50 for me. Any team can win that game on the day.
Varun Chakrabarti, right? Very crucial. One of the highest wicket takers, number 2 pay in fact, in this World Cup as we record this episode,
Yeah.
right? His story, not a lot of people talking about it. In case you missed it, right? Varun Chakrabarti thought his career was over in the 2021 World Cup, where in 3 games he had 0 wickets. And now he's number 2 pay in this World Cup, 9 wickets in 3 games. 9 wickets in, 4 games.
I remember one thing about Varun Chakravarti when we were talking. I had this privilege of talking to him in ICC, you know.
Yeah.
I think it was, what was it? Yeah, during the Champions
Yeah.
Trophy.
Right.
So I asked him about certain things, and he said one thing which everybody misses is the time. You know,
Yeah.
all of us, we think कि time निकल रहा है. He's like, there is always an extra second which is there, you know, whether you're throwing the ball, whether you are hitting the ball, whether you're bowling, there's always an extra
Yeah.
time which is there with us, which we think we don't have that. You know, कुछ भी चीज़ करने के लिए हम सोचते हैं ये अभी करना है. There's always that extra time which is there. You know, he always tells that, and it was so impressive because I took that, and it really helps when you think about it. You know, जब आप मतलब थ्रो करने जा रहे हो, ठीक है, बॉल पकड़ा, फटाफट से रिलीज कर दिया, एम नहीं किया, टारगेट नहीं देखा, तो बट अगर आप एक फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड ले लेते हो ना, मतलब थोड़ा सा भी टाइम लेके अगर आप करोगे ना, यू कैन डू
Wow.
इट बेटर.
That is
Take that
crazy.
extra fraction of second.
Even in life, right? In that whatever line,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
Varun Chakrabarti said, it's a very good perspective of life. आधे लोग सोच रहे थे टाइम निकल रहा है, टाइम
Yeah.
निकल रहा है. बाकी एक तरीका होता है कि टाइम मेरा आ भी तो रहा है.
हाँ.
मेरा टाइम आएगा.
Yes.
That's
But
crazy.
actually, if you
man.
think about it, that entire team, to a great extent, a lot of the players they're in full-on redemption mode. Look at Ishan Kishan; he was
Yeah.
dropped out of Central BCCI contract, went back, started playing domestic cricket. Look at how he's killing it right now. This something similar happened with Hardik Pandya. IPL, everybody booed
Yeah.
him, won the
Yeah.
World Cup after that. Look at every one of them has a story that way, and these guys are guys who are constantly fighting for their place.
Absolutely.
You know, there's a very interesting video I saw where we look at the players in India in Indian cricket who did not make it to the team.
Yeah.
And that team itself is like a team that can win.
वो जाके एशिया कप खेल सकती है भाई.
Exactly. अरे भाई
Exactly.
आपको मालूम है आपका bench strength क्या है?
Exactly.
The people who are fighting for that spot, you have to perform.
There you go.
There is no other way out.
मैं कह रहा हूँ बेंच स्ट्रेंथ आप जो रिटायर्ड स्ट्रेंथ हमारी रोहित शर्मा विराट कोहली को लेके आओ हम बता देंगे हम क्या है बट एनीवेज हम नहीं इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम
Yeah.
बट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मोस्ट फोर्स इट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग वी टॉक अबाउट सिक्सेस इन अ T20 मैच राइट
Yeah.
most fours in a single edition of a T20 World Cup has been this year. Already हमने history of the T20 International World Cup के अंदर इस edition के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा चौके मारे 1000 से ज्यादा 2024 we saw only 961 अभी तो सुपर स्टेजेस शुरू हुए हैं
Okay. Most number of boundaries hit.
most
across
number of boundaries
all
hit in a
teams.
single edition all teams
combined.
Wow.
Okay.
why is that happening now
Well, another reason could be the boundaries are bigger.
I was just gonna say the grounds are bigger.
That is one thing which will come to your mind first
Yeah.
and foremost. अगर आपके sixes नहीं लग रहे हैं तो आप चौके ले लो ना क्या बड़ी बात है there are always
Yeah.
gap and bigger boundaries bigger grounds का ये फायदा होता है that you get lot of gaps.
Yeah.
You get lot of
For,
gaps.
for twos
Right, the
particularly.
players cannot run and save the boundaries all the time. So that's why you get to hit those boundaries when the grounds are
Yeah.
bigger.
unless you're Rinku Singh तू कहीं से भी भाग के आएगा रोक
Unless
लेगा
you're missing.
Would you say that there's the other component of the fact that most of the wickets that they're playing on are turning and gripping
Yes,
type of wickets,
yes.
and they are not really able to get the ball away?
Yes. Those horizontal shots are not
very
coming
difficult.
into the picture.
Yeah. So they're
It's
playing-
like they're playing with the straight bat
Yeah.
most of the time, and that's why ground shots.
Yeah.
That's another reason
Yeah.
why you're seeing more fours as opposed
Yeah.
to sixes.
Yeah.
It's very
Now again, India South Africa spin for sure.
Yeah.
It's going to be a crucial role. In case you missed it, there's a news coming in. Number 3 pe Tilak Varma ka strike rate against spin is not that good. We might play Sanju Samson. Do you think it's a good change, or would you make this change, or if this news is true, not doesn't matter right now, but tell me right now, is this a good way to think or change in
I
Super
think
8?
why not? I will definitely go with this. You know, I
you will?
am in for it. If this happens, I don't mind it.
Because Sanju Samson is
I
way
don't
better against spin.
Yes. The way, and he has worked on his power hitting shots, power hitting abilities are there. So I think if we can utilize him in the first few overs, nothing like
Yeah.
it. If he comes in, does his job, and goes out also scoring those 30,
Yeah.
40 quick runs,
Job
Who
is
are
done.
क्या चाहिए आपको?
who are the spinners for South
Done.
Africa apart from Keshav Maharaj?
We've got the
Who else is there, bro?
I'm trying to think.
Markram is bowling. No.
Markram is there.
Markram is bowling.
Markram is
Markram
bowling.
bowls from time
Yeah.
to time.
Who
I
else?
think.
Who do you think is?
I'm asking. I don't.
They are
I'm
the
not-
ones who are mostly relying on the pacers first.
Yeah.
you know?
Okay, I'll tell you why I may not be in favor of the Sanju Samson thing, because Keshav Maharaj is a left arm offie, means he's bowling into the left-handers, and so even though Tilak Varma has a slightly lower strike rate, you putting Sanju Samson is not solving any problem for you. And particularly when you look at the form, it's not essentially something where you're just throwing him in the deep end for a big game like this, where you need, of course, everybody to fire.
Yeah.
Tilak Varma may have a weakness against spin, but I don't think he's incompetent against spin. He
Yeah.
can definitely get the
Yeah.
ball around, and he also plays an anchor role. So if he's fit and he's got Surya on the other end,
Who's again a good player of spin?
exactly. So you have majority of players who can play spin. It's not that they cannot play. And then you have Hardik coming in one down. Then you have Shivam Dubey as well. All of them who can play spin. So I wouldn't see the Tilak Varma situation as a weakness particularly, only because of his low strike rate at this point. He just has to get, again, this is a mindset exercise in my opinion. So when you look at the bowling lineup of South Africa, I can understand if South Africa had a lot of offies, where you don't want to expose another left-hander with the ball going away. That makes sense. Then
Yeah.
you bring in a Sanju Samson to negate that
Yeah.
impact. So then the alternative to me is stick with Tilak. It's a winning combination at this point. If there is a change potentially that we can look at is, I think, off the back of the last game is, I think either Washi gets replaced again by Aksar coming back into the side, and then you have your remaining playing 11 back as it is.
Okay. Yeah, that
Yeah,
sounds
that's a
good.
good option.
Yeah, that's a good option. But for me, Akshar has an edge over washy just
Yeah.
because of
Yeah,
his
yeah.
Batting skills.
batting
Batting.
plus fielding.
100%.
Plus
Yeah.
fielding.
Batting
which
and
is very,
fielding.
very
Yeah,
important.
yeah.
As a captain,
True.
I would always look for the fielders first. You know, those
Yeah.
who can take that catch. You know, one good catch can turn the match.
Yeah.
Absolutely, man.
Right?
Would you
Absolutely.
retain Kuldeep?
Definitely, yes.
Okay. Bring
I
in
would want-
Kuldeep, and then so you have Kuldeep, and then you have Aksar coming in place of Washington.
Hmm.
And then you have Arshdeep also in the side,
Yeah.
along with Bumrah,
Yes.
opening the seam bowling. Okay.
So
That sounds
I
like
think
a good
Arshdeep will sit out because अगर spin है तो again
अगर
we'll play with 3
आप
spins.
कुलदीप को लेकर आ रहे हो then
Arshdeep has to sit out.
Arshdeep has to sit out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Correct.
that's
Same
right.
combination.
then there's
Yeah,
no
As
place
Sri
for-
Lanka.
Yes.
yeah.
Now, speaking of catches, Chaya, and I genuinely want you guys to discuss this right now with me. Teams that have dropped the most amount of catches in this World Cup. Number 1 way.
Don't tell me it's India.
It's India.
Give me your guess.
Drop catches.
Chalo, I give you number 1 pay. Ireland,
Okay.
10 catches.
Dropped.
Dropped in this
Wow.
World Cup. Number 2 pay.
I was watching the UAE match last time, and I think they were playing against South Africa.
South Africa. No.
And they dropped, I think, 3 or 4 easy catches from the hands.
Interesting.
Sitters.
South Africa?
Number 2 pay, it's India.
India is number 2. I thought it was going to be India.
Number 2 pay, this is probably one of the best fielding sides in
Yes,
the world, right?
yes.
Yeah.
New Zealand, India,
True.
similar. We've dropped 9 catches, guys.
What
We are
about
number 2.
South Africa?
Number 3 pay, it's Namibia. 6 catches.
Yeah.
South Africa is there, but not as many as Ireland, number 10. Number 1 pay 10 catches. Number 2 pay India with 9 catches. Namibia, number 3 pay with 6 catches. That's how many catches we're dropping.
My God.
In fact, having fielders like Rinku Singh, Shivam Dubey, even
Yeah.
that last Surya Kumar Yadav
Surya
catch
Kumar
when
Yadav.
he got his
Yeah.
Yeah.
ball in the
That was a
chest.
tough one.
Yeah. What do you think about this
That-
fielding side, bro? How are we at number 2 in this stat? One stat I don't want to see India anywhere close to.
Yeah.
See, if we keep thinking about those drop catches, we may not proceed. There are only
Yeah.
2 things
Fair.
that can happen, right? See, after certain thing that has not worked well, after that 2 things can happen. This is what I believe. Either तुम उससे भी नीचे गिर जाओगे
सोचते रहो
या
उस बारे
तुम
में।
उससे भी ऊंचा
क्या
उड़
बात।
जाओगे कि
हाँ।
मतलब सब लोग कुछ भूल ही जाएंगे
अब इससे
उसके
गंदा
बारे
क्या ही होगा वाली
में। इससे
सिचुएशन
गंदा क्या ही
है
होगा ना अब जो
अभिषेक
होना था,
शर्मा, are you
हो
watching?
चुका है।
ये टिप चाहिए आपकी
Yeah.
अब जो कुछ भी होना था
Yeah.
इट्स डन एंड डस्टेड आगे देखो
Yeah. Oh, we have Abhishek to bowl as well, by the way.
या
We have Abhishek to
करेक्ट
bowl as
अरे
well.
रिंकू भी बोलेंगे हमारी
हाँ. तिलक भी तो bowling है.
हाँ तिलक also bowls.
तिलक
Yeah.
also bowls yes true
Our last and the final, in case you missed it, we cannot not talk about Jonathan Trott leaving
yes.
Afghanistan as a head coach, which he said in a press conference, and he broke down. He cried, saying, "This is not my choice. Maybe it's the time is right. Maybe it's not. I don't know, but I wish my boys all the best for the future." And that presentation ceremony was beautiful,
Yeah.
where the man of the match has been dedicated to the coach. Right? What has coach got for Afghanistan? This is very interesting. July 22 से लेके February 2026 तक Jonathan Trott अफगानिस्तान के साथ में reached Super 4 in 2022 Asia Cup, beating Sri Lanka and Bangladesh.
wow
Right? In 2023 ODI World Cup, England को हराया है. Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Netherlands finished 6th as well. Historic semi-final T20 World Cup, defeating New Zealand, Australia and Bangladesh. और इस साल already 2 सुपर ओवर में वो almost South Africa को हरा चुके थे. इसके बाद में why wouldn't you renew his tenure?
yeah see sometimes we don't know what the actual thing is happening
Yeah.
you never know what is happening at my back so you can't really say anything to that because as a player you know I have deep regards for my coach
Yeah.
because he's the one who has made me what I am today isn't it
Yeah.
सो अगर किसी कोच ने मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचाया जहाँ पर आज मैं हूँ हम कैसे उसको जाने दे सकते हैं
वही तो.
नहीं जाने दे सकते ना
Like
तो मतलब
देखो-
ऐसा क्या ही हुआ होगा जो मतलब आपको छोड़ने पे मजबूर किया गया
उसको
आप
बोल
छोड़
रहे
के जा
जाने
रहे हो
के
यू
लिए.
नेवर नो
उसे बोल रहे हैं जाने के लिए because they are saying we want a better future. We have different plans for the Afghanistan cricket team.
I don't think that's
The
a
right way to
smart
go,
move.
right?
That's
Thank you.
the right
That's
way
what I feel as well.
you know as a cricketer I have regards for my coach and
Yeah.
I'm sure that all the players are feeling that way
And
for
when you're
him
doing so well,
when
yeah.
you're doing
Yeah,
so well you know you can't
No, I
leave
agree. I
somebody
think they
like
should
that.
find a way to retain him. I don't know who would be a potential replacement for Jonathan Trott. And then you will again leave a team completely dismantled in a
Yeah.
situation.
And they're
like
doing
that,
so
you know,
well.
they're
And
doing so
एक नया
well
कोच
as a
आने
team.
में बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज
Yes.
हो जाती है. You know, it's
Yes.
not like overnight आप लोग चैंपियंस बन जाओगे. There is an adaptation factor. कोच
Yeah.
को समझना, कोच को प्लेयर्स को समझना. You know, it takes a lot of time. The rebuilding phase फिर से उनका चालू हो जाएगा, which will ultimately take a lot of time for them again to come and play these matches, and then when
It's heartbreaking, man. I mean, for
Yes.
Afghanistan as well, and a fan to watch this happen where the coach is crying in press conference, the players are crying in the post-match presentations. It's
Yeah, it's
beautiful.
sad.
I mean, goodbyes
Beautiful.
are always hard to
Yeah,
say.
man.
I just don't like to talk about it because it reminds me of
Yeah.
my last day, you know, when I hung up my boots, and
How
then
was it that for you?
I don't want to
Explain.
talk
I
about
want-
it, you know. It's like I was wearing big glares, you know, because I know that this is a time wherein I cannot control my
Yeah,
emotions.
yeah.
It's evident that it has to roll down on your cheeks. So
Yeah.
I was wearing big glares, and then I mean, I can't just talk about it because this is something when the only thing which I'm missing at the moment, I still play cricket. I play franchisee leagues and I do play indoor cricket as well. But wearing that jersey, you know, that
yeah.
logo,
It's a
that
different
you've
feeling.
been doing it throughout your age, you know, and you are not doing it anymore.
Respect.
I think it's difficult.
Respect.
It's a tough pill to digest. So
Respect.
it's,
Respect.
it is actually.
I think on that note, quickly wrapping up India versus South Africa at Ahmedabad in their last encounter. India definitely won with a huge margin. And coming back to the Tilak Verma topic, Tilak Verma scored the highest amount of runs in that match, 73 at Ahmedabad. So, Tilak versus Sanju Samson, we'll find out on the 22nd of February. But before that, watch New Zealand versus Pakistan. And हमारा show जो होगा, वो broadcast होगा after the India-South Africa match from Warehouse, another fan zone of Stars Play at Verasti with Marriott Bonvoy. But right now, we're going to quickly move on to our next segment. We're going to show you some clips,
Okay.
which are official clips from Stars Play. Just tell us what's happening, react to them, and then we'll do Stars Play replay. राइट स्टार्स प्ले रिप्ले छाया, जहां पे हम स्टार्स प्ले के ऑफिशियल क्लिप्स प्ले करते हैं क्योंकि मैच हम लोग स्टार्स प्ले पे ही दिखा रहे हैं. राइट नाउ द फर्स्ट क्लिप इज साउथ एशियन पेरेंटिंग एट इट्स बेस्ट. अरे मेरा बेटा बहुत अच्छा किया, जैसा कोई सीन नहीं है हमारे पास में. दिस इज वसीम अकरम.
Okay.
ऑलराइट, एंड दिस क्रिकेट से कोई लेने देने नहीं है इसका. वसीम अकरम so is commentating on the match, right? There's someone in the crowd playing trumpet. Beautiful. बहुत अच्छा ट्रम्पेट बजा रहे हैं, वही मैच में श्रीलंका में, राइट? वसीम अकरम कहता है मेरा बेटा भी ट्रम्पेट सीखने जाता है. उससे नहीं हो पा रहा. मैंने उसको बोला बेटा तू रहने दे. Let's play this.
I have a funny story about the trumpet. My son was in class 4-5, so he got into this music class, and they gave him little trumpet, and he came back home after about a month after practicing. I said, show me how it was, and he started. He was horrible. I said, buddy, let me tell you, this is not for you.
I absolutely love, and I've hosted Wasim Saab a couple of times in DP World.
Yeah.
And his commentary timing, his comic timing is
Yeah.
better than his swing, I
Yes,
feel.
Yes.
I like Wasim
He's
Akram,
too funny, man.
He's one of my favorite cricketers. of all
Exactly.
time.
And you know, so much of transparency कि कुछ भी छुपाने की जरूरत नहीं
Yeah.
है.
And he's very objective also.
Yeah.
बहुत objective है. He's not very neutral,
Yes.
I feel.
True. I mean that shows only कि तुमको कुछ भी हाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं. जो है वो है. Right? It's evident.
Yeah.
It's public. It's this.
Yeah.
और तुमको बोलने में कोई वो भी नहीं है, you know.
शर्म ही
क्योंकि
नहीं है यार.
शर्म ही नहीं है.
क्या
क्यों
है
बोलना है
बात?
भाई? It's
Correct.
fine. He may be good in something else.
Yeah.
Which he will say somewhere else.
100%.
But यहाँ पे जो मतलब context था, उसके
Yeah.
हिसाब से उन्होंने जो भी बोला, I mean, perfect. That's
And
best.
he's funny, bro.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
funny. He's
His
funny.
edge is so cool. I love Wasim
Yeah.
Saab.
I know.
Wasim
And
Saab.
once he starts talking in Punjabi,
Oh.
it's next level.
I love his
Next
Instagram too,
level,
bro. I
you know?
love his Instagram too.
Always.
Follow his
Yeah,
cat.
yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
follow his cooking.
Yeah.
True.
Follow his Australian wife now.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's
yes.
crazy. Our next clip.
Crazy.
Vish, take us through it.
Well, the second clip is quite a moment. It's Zimbabwe's winning moment against Sri Lanka and sealing their spot as the group toppers in this World Cup. Unbelievable. They've been having such a fantastic tournament. And this was their last match, which they won against Sri Lanka in the group stage. This is the winning moment
At home, huh?
at home.
At home for Sri Lanka.
At
Yeah.
home.
There it is.
Exhibition match था एक तरीके से,
Amazing.
right?
Amazing.
I
We
mean-
see the supporters also.
Who would have thought कि जिम्बाब्वे
What a tournament
सुपर 8 में आ रहे हैं
Yeah.
और भाई वो टेबल टॉपर है.
Oh.
Who would have
Amazing, no?
thought before the start of the tournament?
Very
Nobody,
unexpected.
right?
No doubt.
So that is why I say history पे मत जाओ भाई. History बनाने वाले पे जाओ, right?
Exactly.
Be the man who can create the history.
You know, you had asked a question earlier, do you believe in stats and do you believe in history? I'm more and more leaning towards the side of I don't believe in stats and I don't believe in history.
No, I believe in history if it's on my side.
That's good. That's good.
If it's not, then I don't believe in history,
But
bro.
Zimbabwe, I mean, they're on a different level
Look at that,
altogether.
look at that team,
Look at
man.
that.
Amazing.
Even the last batter who came to score runs, he was so confident.
Yeah.
You know, they know what they are doing. They know that they are capable of doing it. And Sikandar Raza, when he was sitting in the dugout, the kind of attitude he possessed.
His aura is also very good.
Amazing. Yes.
है ना?
Yes, true that. You know, I'm so impressed with them. That's why I said in knockout stages,
Yeah.
You never know.
nobody would want to face Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
What?
They can do anything.
Yeah. And I think India will be taking particular notice and paying
Yes.
attention.
Yeah.
Yes.
They will
Yeah.
be.
Because we've not faced them quite often.
No,
Yes.
we haven't.
We've not faced them quite often.
But
Yeah.
you never know, you know, how they will handle that
Yeah.
knockout pressure because we have not seen
Yeah.
them playing many of those.
Also because Zimbabwe hasn't played in India from a very
long time, yeah.
Yeah.
मतलब सूर्यवंशी पैदा भी नहीं हुआ था तब लास्ट टाइम जिम्बाब्वे इंडिया में खेली थी.
And Sikandar Raza was there.
सिकंदर रजा wasn't. I think पैदा तो हो गया था, but he wasn't in the
But
setup.
Sikandar Raza has an edge because he has played IPL.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. he
Yep.
does.
So
Yeah.
there you go.
Muzarabani is also in an IPL team, but I don't think he's taken the field yet. I think
RCB.
Yes, yes, yes.
He's
he's
a
not taking
chap.
the field
He's an IPL winning
Yeah.
Team
bowler,
RCB player, yeah.
team member.
Yeah.
Cool
Yeah,
that.
it's
But,
going to be really.
yeah, I
really
think from my side, they definitely may not be the favorites, but if they come in the Super 8, nobody would want to face
Well,
them.
majority of this current Indian team, led by Surya, when Surya was first made T20 captain, they had a tour of Zimbabwe and they have played against
Yep.
these players.
And they also
in
had a tour of
Zimbabwe.
Sri Lanka.
And Sri Lanka as well. So they have some experience bowling, as in playing against these players. I don't know how much of a factor that is going to be in the
Yeah.
actual game eventually, but let's hope that it works in India's favor, or for that matter, I don't mind Zimbabwe also at this point.
Now it's all those 3 nights, you know, how they take pressure on
Yep.
those particular days. And if they absorb it, they
Yeah.
are genuinely deserving to be there.
That's the parting note
Yeah.
with our guest today, Chaya. Thank you so very much for being on the show. Absolutely love it.
Thank you, Chaya.
Vish,
Thank you very much. Thank you.
and me, Parikshit, signing out from episode number 5 of Stars Play Off the Mark. एक बात guaranteed है, this Super 8 is going to be a blockbuster, and you'll only watch it on Stars Play. The ICC Men's T20 World Cup, the Super 8 special on Off the Mark is on. All right, so for a final segment, I've got a very, very special guest who has another special guest with him, the Consul General of the USA to the UAE, Mr. Robert Rains. Your Excellency, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Barakshit. I'm very, very happy to be here. Very, very excited. As you said, I do have an expert with me today. It's my wife, Madiha Shams, who's also a cricket lover and just fantastic. Wonderful to be here today.
So this is what I'm going to talk about. Pakistan, because Madiha is from Pakistan, is playing a very important role in educating Americans
Oh, absolutely.
how to play cricket. Tell me more about how the stuff goes at home when there's a Pakistan match on.
Oh, wow. Well, it's very, very exciting. And obviously, I always have to support Pakistan. So that's the number one rule that I learned about cricket is that Pakistan is always what you support, even if they don't win. Those are the ones that we support. So very, very excited about that. And cricket's just a fun thing in our home.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Madiha Shams. Nice to meet everyone. Well, it's a pleasure to be with you today, Parik Sheth.
Yeah.
And,
you call me Pari, that's fine.
Okay.
Buddy.
Yeah.
Fine.
I have to be very careful calling him his name. But you can call me anything you want.
You don't. Call me whatever.
Thank you for having me. Cricket is life in Pakistan, as you know. I still remember the first time I went to the US was for a master's degree back in 2009. And there was a pretty high-end World Cup match between Pakistan and India. I
Correct.
think in 2010 or something. And the hall of our university, State University of New York in Buffalo, was full of Indians and Pakistanis. and we all cheered, and Pakistan lost. And it was kind of sad.
You know, there are very few nations where you can actually watch a match with an Indian and a Pakistani in a room.
Yes.
UAE is one of them. USA
Yes.
not only watch, but they play together as well.
Yes.
So as a diplomat, Mr. Rains,
Yeah.
what have you done for cricket around the world and in the UAE in the region?
Well, let me start with what we do in the UAE in the region. Omar?
There, good catch. That's a baseball catch.
That
isn't
would
it?
have been bad. That would have been bad if I missed it. Yeah. No. So this is our official uniform, the U.S. consulate's uniform. Every year we participate in a diplomatic cup. I'll just put it
wow.
right here.
So
Yeah.
you're telling me right now
Yeah.
they're diplomats
Yeah.
and consulates playing cricket together?
Yes, every year. We've done it for more than 10 years now. And the U.S. does usually very, very well, our consulate. And I think this year we didn't advance, but last year we came very, very close, and the year before we won it all. So we've got a very strong team, but I will admit that we're strong because of all the great Pakistanis and Indians and Sri Lankans and the rest of the world that works within our consulate. We have more than 30 different nations that work in our consulate, and all of the cricket lovers from around the world come together and represent the U.S. at the Diplomatic Cup.
Exactly
So it's a lot
like
of
the
fun.
USA national team, isn't it?
Exactly.
Absolutely.
I love it. Now, of course, Mr. Rains, we have spoken about cricket, right? I know that cricket 2024, the USA hosted the World Cup.
Yeah.
Now, USA is an associate nation, still did decently well in this World Cup, right?
That's diplomatic of you.
I'm learning the best. So my question to you right now is, what do you think the future for cricket in the USA is going to be? And it's a decade of sport. You're going to be hosting the Olympics as well.
Yeah, no, very, very excited to see cricket take root in the United States. Obviously, in the U.S., we grew up around baseball. It's been kind of our tradition for a very, very long time, and we have our own sports. And bringing on, and sports is very, very important at a professional level, but all the way down to community levels across the United States. And whether it's cricket, or whether it's baseball, or whether it's basketball, or whether it's American football, or football, soccer,
NBA.
all this stuff,
Yeah.
like very, very big, and also very, very big at the local level. Like you grow up as a kid, you're going to be playing these sports. And what's really exciting is to see cricket take hold. So we've got the Major League Cricket that's just been established. We've seen investors, we've seen athletes coming together and bringing kind of the strength of America. These people from all around the world to come together to compete in sport and represent the United States. So it's exciting to see that get started. I will say, kind of like with football/soccer,
Right.
It's once the U.S. gets behind it and
Yeah.
starts figuring this out,
Yeah.
you can expect stronger and stronger every single year.
And-
So get ready.
Absolutely. And Madhya, that was my next question. Once North America and South America starts playing cricket, it's game over for soccer. It's game over for football. I want to ask you a question. And this is a question I thought I'll never ask in my life. When there's a Pakistan versus USA match on in 2024, when Pakistan lost to USA, who was the sour one at the house? When Pakistan lost to USA, what was the situation there?
I think it was fine.
We get along. We support each other.
Yes.
Yeah, well, she's being diplomatic right now.
She is.
So before, and thank you for being on the show, Mr. Rains. Before we let you guys go, I genuinely wanted to ask you, for all the fans watching right now, for every cricket fan from Pakistan or from USA, tell us how cricket is impacting the world.
Cricket is amazing, and I would say even broader than cricket, just sports in general. Like they bring people together. It's kind of the Olympic dream, but you see it in all the different sports, where people come together, they support their teams, they have pride in their teams. I think that's very, very important for national pride.
Yeah.
But then also for kind of like world pride, when you see everybody coming together and competing and just enjoying something together. Like Madhya was talking about, when you see Pakistanis and Indians coming together and watching a game together and supporting it, you find that's amazing. There's really nothing like sports to bring the world together in a cultural way, in a very, very important human way. So very excited about it. Happy to be a support of it here. Happy to see it so successful here as well. Happy to see the UAE do well this year as well. So it's a wonderful thing, and we're happy to support it.
It's such a legend, man. Madhya, last question to you. Who's your favorite cricketer from India?
That's a hard one.
That's a really hard one.
You see, I know Pakistan is a very obvious question. Who's going to be from Pakistan? Tell me that first. Right now.
Right now,
Mm-hmm.
that's a tough one too.
Okay, fair. Anyone. Name any favorite cricketer from India and from Pakistan.
So I'm gonna go with the names I can remember.
Okay, fair. Fair.
So from India, I'd say Saurav Ganguly was pretty good.
What? I was thinking it would be Virat Kohli. Oh,
Virat
she's an
Kohli's
OG
pretty
then.
Yeah, oh yeah, she's
Oh,
OG. She's OG.
Virat Kohli
Yes.
from last year was outstanding.
Hold on. I've not met anyone who said Saurav Ganguly. That means
Oh.
she's been watching cricket before you guys met, I guess.
Oh, for sure, 100%.
Yeah, grew up
She
watching.
grew
That's
up
what I
with
was
us.
saying.
Oh my God.
Grew up in Pakistan. This was something you follow every year. Every year, the whole family will sit together. You're playing outside, then you're coming in, you're watching what the show, what's going on, and so yeah.
She's an OG, sir.
She's an OG.
Even with the Pakistani cricketers, I'm gonna go with an old one.
Go for it.
Shoaib Akhtar. I'm dating myself, I know.
Wow. No, I love Shoaib Akhtar too.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
someone who everybody used to fear in international
Rawalpindi
cricket.
Express.
Rawalpindi Express. Thank you
Yeah.
so very much, Madiha. Thank you so very much, Mr. Rains.
Thank
what
you.
a pleasure having you on Off the Mark. And hopefully, cricket is just going to do much better in the North American and the South American countries very, very soon.
You can count on
Amen.
it. Just watch out.
Amen.
Thank you.
coming.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so very much.